Welcome to IDT 7070, the Instructional Design Process 1. This is the first class in a two-part series. We have the Instructional Design Process 1 and Instructional Design Process 2. And so we're starting to look at or really dive into the instructional design process. And so you'll most commonly see the instructional design process referred to using the ADDIE framework. And the ADDIE framework has 5 parts: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. And so these 5 components make up the instructional design process. And so, and that's most often referred to as ADDIE. Now, there are lots of models out there that are used to help people get through the instructional design process. Dick and Carey is the one we're going to be studying in this course. There's also Morrison Ross Kemp. There's rapid prototyping models, and several more. And so the whole point is, no matter which model you choose, you're going to be going through these same steps, the ADDIE framework. So if we look at the steps in Dick and Carey, and I know this is really small, but the point is just to show you there's some differences. There are 5 steps in the ADDIE framework. There are 10 steps in the Dick and Carey model, but really the Dick and Carey model maps perfectly onto the ADDIE framework. It's just there are 10 more detailed steps instead of the 5 broad components of ADDIE. And so as we move through this, just think about, what are we doing? The analysis phase. You'll be constructing a needs analysis and context analysis, learner analysis in Dick and Carey. All of that's the analysis phase. In design, you're going to be designing your instruction. You're going to be writing learning objectives and developing. Then you move on to development, and you're going to be doing a prototype in this class. You'll also be creating story boards or thumbnails of your prototype. Now, we only do analysis, design, and begin development in 7070. Implementation and evaluation come later in 7080. And so we won't get to those steps this summer. But as we move forward, just remember that is one of many models to help you with the instructional design process, but all the models do refer back and map onto the ADDIE framework: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. And so I hope that you're excited about this course. I'm ready to see what all you guys want to study and want to learn about, and see if we can solve some problems using instructional design. All right, here we go.